Now, bounce rate is neither here nor there. Some people are really, they really fuss about it too much. If somebody has got that information from a page and they left off, then that's fine. But it's neither here nor there. You don't want to pay too much attention to that. But what you do want to pay attention to is this: pages per session and average session duration. Now, see how engaged my audiences are, or people coming on my website. Now, you can get, well, from this one is 1p per click. So it's very, very cheap. I'm trying my best to make it 0, but I'm struggling with that a lot. That's the lowest I can get. This is 4p, 5p, but 1p is not too bad. I can spend £1 and get 100 people to take action, right? Now, this is where you want to look at. Now, if I don't have these set up, all these micro goals, I won't know, because you might think 1p and 2p clicks, they might be junk. They may be very cheap clicks from the mobile apps, which you can get quite easily. But you need to make sure that you have linked your Google Analytics to your Google Ads account. And now I can see, now look at this one, Gmail. We'll come on to Gmail in another session. That's the best one. 3.19 pages per session, and average duration is 223 seconds, which is almost 4 minutes per session. It's quite good. The other thing why my average duration is a lot higher than compared to other companies or other businesses is because I have a video on pretty much every blog post and every page of my website. So even if you come to my website and view my video for about 10-15 seconds, these ads or these seconds do add up. And that's what you want to do, is to create good quality content first of all, and then put them back on your website.